Marigold, Book 2, Class 2, Unit 1. First day at school.
Welcome to Hindi Kala Kendra. If you are new to our channel, then please click on the subscribe button to get more of your desired content. Turn on the notifications by clicking on that bell near the subscribe button so that you get notified the earliest and fastest whenever we upload new content. If you love our content, then please share our channel with your friends and family members. Now, without wasting more time, let's get learning.
So children, whenever you go to a zoo or a museum or a new place, you always wonder or think that what are you going to see there? And you're happy and excited, full of joy to go to the new place, right? So today in this poem, we are going to see a child describing how he felt at the first day of his school. Let's read the poem. First day at school. I wonder if my drawing will be as good as theirs. I wonder if they like me or just be full of stares. I wonder if my teacher will look like mom or gran. I wonder if my puppy will wonder where I am. Written by Eileen Fisher. Now let's get to know this poem. I wonder if my drawing will be as good as theirs. Wonder means to think deeply. Drawing means a picture or a diagram made with a pencil. So here the child is thinking if his drawing will be as good as the other students in his class. I wonder if they like me or just be full of stares. Stares mean to look at someone or something for a long time. So the child is thinking if his new classmates will like him or will they keep on looking at him. I wonder if my teacher will look like mom or gran. Gran is a short name for grandmother. So he is thinking that his new teacher will look like his mom, who would be pretty and young, or will she look like his grandmother, who is beautiful and old. I wonder if my puppy will wonder where I am. Now what is a puppy? A puppy is the baby of a dog. So the child is wondering that his puppy, which is at home, will think about where did his master go. New words: wonder, drawing, stares, gran, puppy. Now let's use them in sentences. I wonder if the sea is blue. This means that the person is thinking if the sea is blue. What does the child in the poem think about his drawing? What does the child think? The child in the poem is thinking if his drawing would be as good as the other students' drawing. What does the child wonder about his teacher? The child wonders if his teacher will be young like his mother or old like his grandmother. Do you think the child would like to carry his puppy to school? The child would love to carry his puppy to school as he can play with him and enjoy. Now, do you remember your first day at school? How did you feel? Did you feel angry? Or were you shy? Did you feel happy? Or did you feel sad? On my first day of school, I was shy and I was happy. You can tick the boxes as per whichever emotion you felt then. When you entered your class, what did you like? When I entered the class, I liked to see many children sitting there as I was happy to make many new friends. Who was the first friend you made? My first friend in my new class was Antara. You can write the name of your first friend in your notebook. What did you enjoy doing the most? I enjoyed spending time with my new friends the most. You can write about what you enjoyed doing the most. Do you have a pet at home who waits for you to come back from school? If you don't have one, then you can write, "No, I don't have a pet." But if you do, you can write, "Yes, my dog or cat waits for me." Let's act. Find a partner. Let your partner pretend to be the teacher who welcomed you to your class. Now, act out your first day at school. You can do this with your siblings, your brother or sister, or you can call your friends or your mom and dad and act this scenario out at your home. Look at the picture. What are the children doing? What do we see the children doing here? We see that the boy is smiling in a shy manner. The girl seems to be looking at him and asking him something. So, in reply, the boy is shy to answer. Let's listen and sing. Brush, brush, brush your teeth. Brush them every day. Father, mother, brother, sister. Brush them every day. Comb, comb, comb your hair. Comb it every day. Father, mother, brother, sister. Comb it every day. Wash, wash, wash your face. Wash it every day. Father, mother, brother, sister. Wash it every day. Let's write. How many words can you make using letters from the word in the picture? One has been done for you. What's the word in the picture? Hippopotamus. So how many words can we make out of this? They have given the word pot as an example. So we can make post with it. We can make hot with it. We can make the word tip with it. We can also make mat and then similar to it, hat. Dear children, in the comments below, you have to tell me 5 more words you can make out of the word hippopotamus, okay? Circle what you can carry in your school bag. Now, write the names of your things in the box below. First, let's see what all items do we have here. We have a ruler, a sharpener, a pen, an eraser, a water bottle, spectacles, a tiffin box, a pencil, some pebbles, a toy, books, and an ice cream cone. So, what can we carry in our bag? We can carry a ruler, a sharpener, a pen, an eraser, a water bottle, books, a pencil, and a tiffin. Now let's write the names over here. So the first one is a ruler, the second a sharpener, the third a pen, fourth an eraser, fifth a water bottle, sixth books, seventh a pencil, and then the last tiffin. What are the children doing? Choose the correct word from the ribbon and then fill in the blanks. Let's see what are the words in the ribbon. Eating, riding, going, studying, sharing, returning, and laughing. Now, in this picture, what do we see the boy doing? He's eating. What is he eating? His breakfast. So, we'll write eating breakfast. In this picture, we can see the boy on a cycle. So, what is he doing? He is riding. So, riding a bicycle. This boy seems to be going to school from his house. So, he is going to school. Now, in this picture, we can see the two children sharing and eating their food. So, we will write sharing with friends. In this picture, the kids are studying in their class. So, we will write studying in class. In this picture, the boy is returning home from school. So, we will write returning from school. Now let's practice these alphabets shown here. What are the alphabets? A, B, C, D, E and F. There are 2 rows of these alphabets written here that you have to trace. So take your pencil and trace the dotted lines given in your workbook. Next you have G, H, I, J, K and L. After tracing the words above, trace these as well. What did we learn today? We saw a child's first day at school and how he felt about the things around him. We learnt new words. We discussed questions and answered them. We acted how it feels to be like a new student in a class. We formed new words with one given word. We found out which object can be carried in a school bag. Then we learnt actions with the help of doing words. And finally, we traced alphabets and learnt how to write them.
Finally, click that like button and turn that black thumb blue if you enjoyed the lesson today. Don't forget to comment down below your suggestions and opinions. We would gladly accept them and reply as soon as possible. And if you are new to our channel or haven't subscribed already, then what are you waiting for? Quickly click on that red subscribe button to get more amazing content. Don't forget to check out your class's Hindi chapters. Link will be in the description box below. Thank you for learning this lesson with me. Hope you enjoyed.